Sometimes life is picture perfect. Sometimes we fall under the pressure. Through all of life's messes, we want you to know we're here for it all. Like when a touchdown celebration ends with a big spill, or when a child's imagination turns into shoe prints and glitter everywhere. What about when that simple fix causes a big splash for every spaghetti noodle on the floor and each wet puppy paw? You can count on LOBA to be there. We combine decades of valuable experience with innovative new ideas to create sustainable, high-quality, easy-to-apply products. LOBA is there for all of life's good times, messy times, and everything in between. Do it different. Experience LOBA.